bases his entire spring collection on a see-through dress he calls the skin dress. And indeed, he uses it as a second skin. Lagerfeld puts it under his new, softer jackets, wisps of evening dresses, and he even manages to make it a cover-up for his swimsuits. He says it's the foundation for his elongated, endless silhouette. To make sure he gets his message across, he shows yard-high 18th century hairstyles and 5-inch stiletto heels.
It's a dress made of the same material than tights. You wear it with everything. It goes from the elbow to the knee, covers the body, and all the dresses and clothes are only pieces fixed on that. So it's like a concept. It exists in black and white, and it goes with everything. And for me, it's a very modern, easy concept.
Now tell me how you layered it and how you're showing it.
Well, I think in a modern way, we use it as a base for everything. You have it underskirts, you have it even overskirts. They are tight dresses with short skirts and tops like bathing suits, but they're not bathing suits, and the dress is over, and you can pull it down, you can keep the top of your blouse, and you tie the skin dress on your waist. For me, it's a really interesting modern concept.
You're using it for evening as well as day.
You know, the thing between evening and day is fading away more and less. There is no evening in the sense of ball gowns, and there is something like this, but it's like a funny thing. It's like a game also, but in fact, it's a floating pieces of material just with the elastic over the waist, and then you go and walk, and it flies, because you are sure that every movement will be decent, because the body dress keeps the body perfectly decent.
What are the colors of the collection?
The colors are, of course, black and white, because KL is always black and white. Then there are touches of pale sorbet colors, or some dark navy blues, but mostly it's very pale or black and white.
So it's a very simple color palette.
Very simple. It's basic. It's all on a concept. It's all graphic.
And there are prints in the collection.
Yes, there are two kinds of prints, but they are prints like abstract flowers, you know, like Tashi's flowers, or there's a print done with rubber. So they're just a confused line, like a handwriting nobody can read, you see.
That's Karl Lagerfeld with his spring collection.